When we've been brainstorming for this collection, we had the idea to build a substitute for the extremely costly foam inserts for those tool trolleys. Basically, we all have that one super chaotic drawer at home or in our workshop. That's where we said, okay, let's target killing chaos with 3D printing and start with the Wiesemann1893 products.
We wanted a simple and efficient solution to sort the tool trolley. A uniform solution in the form of such plates seemed to us the best and most efficient. They can be arranged in any variation and are therefore adaptable to any tool trolley. Compared to traditional foam inserts, our plates are flat and saves as much filament as possible, and are therefore suitable for any drawer height. We paid particular attention to ensure that the tools would not slip in the holders when the cart is moved. To securely connect the plates together, these connectors are used and the plates are firmly attached to each other, so the whole system remains modular.
For our brand, this collection was the next logical step. Besides wall mounts and table stands, we are now able to close the gap and offer our customers a solution for horizontal storage. We're extremely glad to innovate again and offer our community something new when it comes to workplace management.
My name is Ronan Hayes and I am a co-founder of Reflow. Our concept was initially that we would recycle plastic waste. We would design an extrusion lab, so a set of tools to recycle and form 3D printing filament. So what we realized was the basic problem we were solving was right in front of us. 90% of the 3D printing industry at that time was running on virgin materials, still a hangover from the same fossil fuel industry that produced all the plastic waste we see around us. But I think what we're seeing now is a massive increase in the willingness to use recycled materials. So we're actually seeing it shift the other way. I think around 2 or 3 years ago, people just wanted to produce their items. But as sustainability as a concept becomes the norm for our generation, and as legislation builds up around it, people are going to now, 9 times out of 10, go to choose the recycled or sustainable option. There's so many things we could do to create a better circular system around 3D printing materials, but step one is definitely starting with recycled materials and thinking about end of life.
For this collection, we wanted to take the chance to try out the new recycled filaments on the market. We finally decided for this PETG from Reflow, which is available in really amazing pastel colors, which we also used for our content production and for our collection. And we can just recommend to everyone to finally switch to the recycled side.